The Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoozy Poo!
Oh, goodly bear!
When this human child throws me with its tongue under control and made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky!
I thought you cared about me.
Come on, this way.
Perimeter is under observation. Decon unit, get with this spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
All clear over here.
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.